guys, and welcome back to 3 Fishing. Today I finally received my package from Gomexus. It's my new handle knobs that I will install on my Shimano Tranx. So I will unbox this and show it to you guys. Right, let's see. Look at this. Sweet. Alright, so they are much bigger than I thought, so actually looks really nice. So this is the new one, Gomexus, and this is the original Shimano Tranx handle, or knobs, sorry. And if you compare, it's a big difference. I think it will look really great. Some ice cream, huh? Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Alright, and we are done. And this is it. New Gomexus knobs on Shimano Tranx. I don't know about you guys, but I think this looks badass. Really sweet. And I also have Gomexus knobs on my other reels, Shimano Aldebaran and Bantam. I will show you. So this is the Aldebaran with Gomexus knobs also. And this is my Shimano Bantam also, as you can see. I almost forgot that I actually have it on my spinning reel also. This is a smaller one. So we are done for the day. Please let me know what you think about the new knobs on my Shimano Tranx. Always fun to see your reactions and comments, so please comment below. Please comment if you want me to try something new, cool stuff. Knobs, reels, rods, anything. So just comment below and I will check into it. So thank you for watching, guys.
1, 2